welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare prawns biryani. Come on, let's get started. I am doing this biryani in the different variation. 2 cups of basmati rice, half cup of yogurt, green chili paste, half kg prawns, lemon, bay leaf, shajira, star anise, mace, nutmeg, Marathi mogga and cinnamon sticks. And yellow food color, it's optional. Cloves and cardamom, red chili powder, salt, biryani masala, garam masala, mint, coriander, sliced onions, ginger garlic paste. Take a deep pan and add oil in it. Once oil get heated, add onions in it. Fry it on a medium flame. Fry the onions until it gets light brown color. Once it gets fried, now transfer these onions into a bowl. Step 1. Here I am explaining you the total process in the step wise. Take a pressure cooker, add prawns to it, add turmeric powder, add salt to it, add dash of water. Now close the lid and cook it for 2 whistles. Once it's done, now open the lid and cook it for 2 more minutes. Now transfer these prawns into a bowl and add ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, salt as per requirement, red chili powder and garam masala. Combine everything and apply these masalas to the prawns. Take a deep pan, add oil in it. Drop the marinated prawns into the oil. Fry it on both sides. Once prawns get fried, now transfer this into a bowl. Step 2. Soak the basmati rice in a water for half an hour. Take a pot and add water in it. Once water get heated, now add cloves. Now add bay leaf. Add star anise, Marathi mugga, mace, add few shajira and cinnamon sticks. Add green cardamom, add few drops of oil, add salt to taste, boil the water for 2 minutes. Once water get boiled, now add soaked rice in it. Now mix everything. Step 3. Take a same pan which we roasted the prawns. Now add ginger garlic paste, add green chili paste and combine everything. Now add yogurt, mix it, now add mint, add red chili powder, garam masala, biryani masala, add required amount of salt, combine everything, and squeeze some lemon juice. Once rice done 60%, add this rice as a layer on the masala. Once rice done 80%, now again add this rice as a top layer of the masala. Now add the roasted prawns on top of the rice. Now spread the coriander on top of the rice. Now add few drops of rose water. Sprinkle some yellow food color drops over the rice, but it's optional. Now add some fried onions. Add ghee on the top of the biryani. It helps to enhance the flavors. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Now prawns biryani was done. Switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl. You can enjoy this prawns biryani with your friends and family members.